All right, so for this video, we're going to put Claude's $200 Opus 4.7 to the test against KiyomiKode, and we're going to see who can build a nice landing page. And what I want you to know as a small business owner or someone who's looking for a job or someone who is, dabbling within AI, you got the cloud companies that cost you $200 a month, $100 a month, and then you got something like KiyomiKode that just cost you $149 one time. Let's go ahead and get into it. You see the website right here. You could try out KiyomiKode for free. I got a video of it building a website right here, but let's do it live. Let's see what power it really has. Is this really a good, alternative to the cloud AI companies? So let's open up Claude, if I could spell right. All right, so we got us a brand new terminal, and then let's go ahead and open up KiyomiKode. All right, we'll go to build mode here to be ready, and then I'm gonna go grab the prompt. The prompt for both of them is to go ahead and build a pet store. So it's build out a website, make the HTML file for it, and make it look as nice as possible as if it's a website for a pet business called Pets Express. Make sure it has a hero section, pricing section, testimonials, and nice pictures. Put the HTML file on my desktop and open it. So we'll go ahead and get Claude started. And for Kiyomi, it's going to be the same prompt, except instead of Pets Express, it'll be called Animals Express. So we'll go in here and copy and paste that and get it going. And so they're working, and we'll see what the result is. And I'll say now with this, just going over again the stuff with KiyomiKode, and let's go over Claude too. Let me pull up Claude's prices so that we can just compare. Because the thing is that people want to see, or the thing is that people want to know, especially those who are looking at AI or used to AI, is, okay, what can I do to get it to do what I need? Well, the question is, like, what exactly are you trying to do? For people, because I look at folks who are wanting to have unlimited AI and people who are running small businesses or want to run a small business or want to have a side hustle, something. I need specific things. You need a website. You need a way to get paid. You need a way to advertise. Okay. So now the way to get paid, Stripe, you can use, what's the other one? Square. You can use that. That's how you get paid. Okay, so the integration with that is kind of separate from Kiyomi, but you can have Kiyomi integrate with you, just like how you can with Claude. With those tools, you just get those tools set up outside. Okay, a website, that's key. You need a website if you're having a small business or a side hustle. Okay, and a way to advertise. So that's your social media. You need maybe Twitter. You need maybe a YouTube. How can it help with that? Those are further videos. But the biggest thing that people worry about is price. Well, here's KiyomiKode first. You can try it for free. Mac only. You copy and paste this into your terminal. You can try it. You get 20 prompts. You get 48 hours to use it. Go work with it. See if you like it. All right. For Claude, is there a way that you can try it out? No, there's not a way that you can try it out. But you got monthly and you got yearly. Okay, so monthly, $20 a month or $100 a month. The way they get you is with usage. Okay, but they give a good product, right? Well, $20 a month can get you something good, but during your work, you might be interrupted. $100 a month will get you what you need, but it's $100 per month. KiyomiKode, you can pay $10 a month for it, or you can just buy it outright, $149, and you're done. Let's look at our first website. This is Pets Express. So this is the one by Claude. Very, very nice looking. Very nice looking website. It's got the heroes, got the prices, got the testimonials. Very slick, nice looking website. Okay. Very slick, very nice looking website. So now we'll wait. and see what KiyomiKode can do. And while we wait, I'm just checking to see. Okay, Claude has its stuff all done. Very nice. And waiting for KiyomiKode. Taking a little bit longer, but we'll see how it turns out. So again, you worry about the prices. Now you would think that you wouldn't have to worry about the service when it comes to a cloud AI company, but that's another story for another day. Here's what Kiyomi came up with, Animal Express. Let's take a look at this site. Very, very nice as well. Got the heroes, got the prices, got the testimonials. So you take a look. Claude is, I'll give the edge to Claude in terms of how it looks. Would I give the full edge to Claude of how it looks? Well, I don't know. One costs you $100 a month. One costs you $149 once. One is a subscription. One is not. And that's what you have to think about. If you're having a side business, now you've seen this. If you're having a small business that you run, now you've seen this. If you have a business that you run, now you've seen. This is apparently the smartest AI in the world. Okay? Claude Opus. And this is KiyomiKode. What you have to do is think about the cost and think about what you really need. I know for me, I'm going KiyomiKode every single time because I'm getting my money's worth and I'm getting a good product. But hey, that's just me. You all make the decision. I just wanted to do this quick test to show you. Have a good one. Comment, like, subscribe, spread this around. Y'all have a good one. Bye-bye.